Most people think a business analyst job is just to write documents or create flowcharts. But that's not true. A BA's main role is understand problems, communicate clearly, and find a practical solution that works for both business and technology teams. Okay, so you act like a bridge between business and technology team. So who explain what they want and the technical team, right? So who actually build it, right? So your job is to translate complex business needs into clear, actionable requirements, right? So you act as a bridge between business users and the technical users. You gather requirement, you translate the business idea into simple requirements. You also make sure that developers are building the right feature. And testers are validating it correctly before it goes live. So you help testers and developers. That's how you help the business save time, reduce risk, and improve customer experience. In the banking world, business analysts work on projects like online loan application, new account onboarding, payment systems, or even credit card automations. Every project begins with one question: why is this change needed? That's very important. Once you know that, you gather requirements, create process flows, write user stories, and support testing until the solution is delivered. Becoming business analyst isn't about memorizing tools. It's about thinking like a problem solver and learning how to connect people, especially process and technology. Follow this series every day. I'll teach you one practical BA skill you can use in your interviews and projects. Comment day 2 complete if you are ready to learn requirement gathering in tomorrow's video. Thank you.